When I went for a walk this morning, I walked past a girl in front of Westerbloem Retirement Village that was selling things there on the street, and she drives with a delivery bike, and she's a girl that stands there in the winter also. It becomes very cold. For Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturday and Sundays, from about 7 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock. Van Heeren Street. Remember that if you ever want to support her. I went back specifically with my car to go and support her. And I bought this. This was 60 Rand for 10. It's a rather big Cook Sisters. Also this fudge. Blueberry fudge apparently. And also I bought some sausage rolls for 35 Rand. As I always say, it's only the taste. So let's try the sausage rolls first. Sausage rolls are very nice. Some of the best I ever had. I had the sausage rolls 8.2 out of 10. Then the Cook Sisters. Crispy, not too sweet. Actually very nice. I rate the Cook Sisters 8 out of 10. And then the blueberry fudge, which smells delicious, I must admit. Unique taste. Really, really nice. Very sweet, obviously, because it's fudge. I like this an 8 out of 10. Thanks, people. Love you. Until next time.